Hello everyone, this is the Random Channel Eli here, and today I am making a random video of me oiling my Hunter Original. And I know a lot of fan collectors already made this video, but this is going to be my video of oiling it, and I'll show you her. Here she is. She's a 2001, 2, somewhere in the 2000s Hunter Original ceiling fan. And I know the bearings, yeah, they spin kind of freely, but just to be a little, I don't want to say safe, but just to make her thirsty, we're going to put some of her drink in there. And yeah, let's get started. And my recommendation, I would suggest you put like a paper towel rag or old dirty shirt there, because I don't want this oil leaking down into the windings, because it may or may not shorten the windings, but just to make it safe, I recommend paper towel, rag, or shirt. Just for safety purposes. And yeah, let's fill her right up. Sorry, this is gonna be a little complicated. Alright, I think we got her in. Then you just want to take that and just fill her right up. Now you may want to do a squirt. You may want to squirt her a little at a time, so that way you don't get all of the oil in there. And then we're just gonna clean her right up and give her a test drive. So right now I'm just giving her a little test drive, letting the oil get into the bearings, let her get smooth. Then we're gonna hit her once again, and yeah. Now these Hunter Originals, they are complete powerhouse. So I can see why they add these in restaurants, stores, and you name it. You don't want to squirt too much drink into her, or else you'll see like oil dripping out of here, and we don't want that. We want her nice and oiled. Alright, bearings seem free. Real free. Alright, we're gonna hit her one more time, and she should be done being thirsty. Oops, I forgot to bring that shirt up here. Hang on, I'll be right back. Alright, got the shirt up here. Now let's squirt her again. Alright, girl. Here's some more of your drink that you requested. Alright, I think that should be enough. I gave her 2 little squirts of oil. And yeah, let's see how she runs. Oh yeah, you want to clean up the area that you squirt the oil in her. Make sure you get her nice and clean. Alright, yeah, do not mind the mess. Don't mind it. Don't worry about it. Pretend it isn't there. Alright, give her a test drive. And my recommendation, and I know a lot of fan experts out there say this, but I'm gonna say it. My recommendation is you test the oil on forward and reverse just to make sure that she's you want to test it on forward with oil and reverse with oil just to make sure she's lubricated. But I mean, look at her go. She's well free. Alright, then I'm gonna test her in reverse, and that's it. Alright, here she is on reverse. She has a little wobble to it, but she's been doing good ever since I got her up here. Yeah, she's a little wobbly. Alright, girl. Slow down, girl. Medium. Low. And off. Alright, this is the random video of me oiling my Hunter Original ceiling fan, and thanks for watching.